Recommended practices for online recruiting platforms. The INA has worked to bring standards to the nanny industry for over 38 years. These are the recommended practices for online recruiting platforms. Provide clear information. Provide household employer wage expectations. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms provide easily accessible information regarding legal wage expectations for household employees on their website. Explain tax compliance information. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms provide accurate details regarding employment tax compliance. Support clients with full privacy policy. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms supply families and caregivers with an explanation of the site's privacy policy and that the policy meets all laws pertaining to those who use the site. Clarify what background checks are done. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms clearly disclose what checks of the candidate's background are performed and what are not, so that families can be completely informed. Establish a complaints process. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms establish and clearly explain the process that both parents and caregivers can take if they have complaints against another client or against the company. Provide a way to contest a review. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms provide a process for both the caregiver and the family to contest a review they feel was inaccurate. Removal from site. Remove caregivers who have engaged in inappropriate behavior. The INA recommends that owners of online recruiting platforms remove candidates who are under the age of 18 who have not passed a preliminary check in which various court databases are searched to see if the candidate's name appears, or if the candidate has engaged in inappropriate behavior. Remove families who have engaged in unacceptable behavior. INA recommends owners of online recruiting platforms remove family accounts from their website if their account activity appears similar to common scams or the family behaves in an unacceptable manner.